I have here is a 24,000 BTU AOU 24RML1. I have here is another machine. It's AOU 1200, a 12,000 BTU 110 VAC versus the 220 VAC. Here is my second unit as well. A year plus, just installed, new, just installed the latest machine. Have they all ever seen a nitrogen test, a vacuum test? No. I am no pro, claim to be no pro, and I do things the unconventional way. Do not try this at home. Get a professional. This is what we all do on YouTube. There is a video out there of a person turning this on, letting it go, and having this open to vacuum, purge the system. Kind of defeats the purpose when this is open because moisture could whip right back in. He's closing it up. Then there's another step of the person opening this up and letting the air out. So that may be a better way to purge the system. Open this up for a split second. Press this with a tool because you're gonna freeze your finger, and that'll get some of the moisture out. The proper way of doing things is with a vacuum on the line. And how many micron PSIs? I don't know. The book says to do it. A friend says they come pre-charged. Look for pre-charged cables. Well, that's what I got here. 25-foot length, no cutting of the flares, everything properly done without show and tell. The unit has the correct amount of R410. So should I release some 410 to the atmosphere? No. I could release just a drop. That should not harm it at all. That would get the moisture out. A lot of people are complaining, oh, your thing's gonna fail. This hasn't failed. It's been with me, like I said, a year from August. Works like day one. I'm not going back and editing. I'm doing this right now. That is tight. I heard some go in. I'm going to release some. I wanted to grab a tool. I don't hear any. I'm going to release some. I heard it this time. I'm happy. I purged my system. Counterclockwise. I'm opening up. I'm going to do the same for this. I got one more stage to do. I could hear people saying, oh, this is all incorrect information. Like I said, I am no pro. I'm happy. Going to press this. Alright, so I'm going to open up the other one. Going to close it. Going to grab my tool. Now I'm going to purge the second line. I'll wait for the car to go by. Here we go. Nothing came out. This is a tight one. All right, I heard it come out. I saw some oil. I'm good. Gonna open it all up now. Well, it's done, purged, ready to go. And I'm gonna hear you all complain. It's wrong, not right. It's not gonna last. Well, come back for an update next year and we'll see how things go. Enjoy, everybody. Many videos, entertainment, how-tos. You decide what's right or wrong for yourself.